Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, your go-to source for the latest electric vehicle innovations and breakthroughs. Today, we're talking about a game changer in the world of battery technology. CATL, the largest electric car battery producer in the world, has just unveiled 3 pioneering all-new batteries that could revolutionize the way we think about electric vehicles. Let's dive into what makes these batteries so special. First up, we have the Freevoy Dual Power Battery, which is essentially a battery within a battery. This technology allows it to deliver an incredible 1,500 km range, making it the ultimate range-extending hybrid solution. But how does it work? Well, it uses a unique dual-core architecture that includes a main energy area and a second area that can extend the range when needed. It's like having 2 batteries in one, each with its own chemistry. Imagine you're on a road trip, and your battery is running low. The Freevoy Dual Power Battery kicks in, switching to sodium-ion power until it warms up, then switches to lithium-ion power. This technology represents a fundamental shift in how we approach electric vehicle range limitations. By combining 2 distinct battery technologies in one package, CATL can optimize both high-power performance and extended range capabilities. But that's not all. The second-generation Shenxing Superfast Charging Battery is equally impressive. It combines an 800 km range with charging speeds that exceed 1,300 kW. That means you could get up to 5 km of range added every second just by plugging in. And at those speeds, CATL comes closer than ever before to matching the time it takes to fill up a petrol or diesel tank. Now we know what you're thinking, but where's the charging infrastructure? Well, even with these incredible batteries, we still have a problem. But CATL is working on overcoming that challenge, and their new sodium-ion battery is designed to be compatible with both hybrid and electric vehicles. This battery sets new highs for energy density, delivering an impressive 175 Wh/kg. And get this, it can withstand torture tests like compression, needle penetration, electric drill penetration, and even battery sawing without catching fire or exploding. That's safety at its finest. But here's the best part. These batteries could be the key to making affordable EVs a reality. Produced out of freely available raw materials, some analysts suggest they could cost between 25–30% less than the cheapest lithium-ion cells. And with CATL already producing around 38% of all high-voltage batteries used in EVs last year, it's clear they're on the right track. So what does this mean for the future of electric vehicles? Well, it means we can expect to see more affordable and efficient options hitting the market soon. The mass-produced sodium-ion batteries could be the game changer that brings EVs to the masses. That's all for today's episode of ElectroDrive News. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electric vehicle news and updates.